What's up everybody, Thomas Kennedy here, back again with another airbrush video. If you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button so you can stay up to date with all my latest videos, and give me the thumbs up. It'll help my channel out, it'll help more people see this video. So in today's video, you will see the process for customizing a pair of Vans slip-ons. These are cool, they turned out really nice. This is something you can do with your airbrush and Sharpies. That's what I used on these. So stay tuned and you'll see the process.
Money, money. It's the money, it's the money, it's the money, yeah. It's the money, it's the money, it's the money, yeah. It's the money. It's the money, it's the money, it's the money, yeah. It's the money, it's the money, it's the money, yeah. It's the money. It's the money. 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 It's the money, it's the money, it's the money, yeah. It's the money, it's the money, it's the money, yeah. It's the money. It's the money, it's the money, it's the money, yeah. It's the money, it's the money, it's the money, yeah. It's the money. Money. money, it's the money, yeah. It's the money, it's the money, it's the money, yeah. It's the money.
Alright, so that's that. You see the process. They turned out pretty cool. Go grab a pair for yourself and practice. Grab a pair for somebody else to give them as a gift or something like that. Or if you get pretty comfortable with it, pretty confident in your work on them, start taking some orders or something. You can make pretty decent money customizing shoes. And if you're wondering what you do to protect the artwork once it's on the shoes, I am going to research this more and see what all methods are out there, but I have painted similar materials to these shoes before, and so I just did the same method for protecting it as I did on the other projects. So all I did, I took a can of Krylon Crystal Clear, Satin Crystal Clear in the spray can, and from a distance I just did a light dusting to put a really light coat on the shoes. Of course, I still had them taped off and all that. So I just did a real light coat of that and then just let it dry. That clear coat will kind of soak into the material just a little bit, but it'll be just enough to kind of give it some extra protection when the shoes get wet and stuff like that. So once again, thanks for checking out my channel. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Hit the thumbs up button and go grab a pair of shoes and get to practicing. And until next time, peace out.
It's the money, yeah. It's the money, it's the money.